You guys, your boy one scalper, the one and only. Okay, today we are looking at USD JPY at the 30 minutes time frame, as you can see, and I have already opened orders, and we are waiting for it, as you can see. So yeah, and then after that let's start by let's analyze. The thing is, I've I I opened orders before I analyzed because of I saw that this thing is going to buy. So I said, like, let me open orders first, then I'll analyze after. Even if I know I don't normally do that because of it's wrong, but I did it today. But we'll see what will happen. No, man, this thing looks like a head and shoulder. I'm not sure, but yeah, I mean, USDT can sell, man. This thing looks like a head and shoulder. USDT looks like a head and shoulder, guys. So yeah, I don't know that you guys see what I see. You guys see also what I see here. This is how it is. Here's into detail. This is how it is. This is how it is. These things keep on. Yeah, guys, there's no perfect market, man. So yeah, guys, this is what I see, and I see. What do I see? This thing it's a head and shoulder. No matter what, I am sure. I'm very, very, very much sure. But as you can see, we are already deep blues, but they are still gonna hold it until we get what we want. So yeah, this is how it is. So guys, first thing first, for the beginners, this is how you do it. You start by analyzing, and then after analyzing, find that's where you're gonna see for am I gonna sell or buy. Because of me, I took a buy because I'm seeing a hidden shoulder, but the direction is fine. I'm not that sure. Maybe it can come here. Maybe this thing will bounce back here and go down and go down. You see? So yeah, we'll see. We'll see, guys, and then let's go and check. Let's go and check other place Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. This is how is it? Okay, let me delete this. Let me delete my previous analysis. These ones are my previous analysis, guys. So I'm deleting them. Today is a new day. It's a Monday, fresh start. So we are starting over again. Let me see. I'm not seeing anything. Let me see. Guys, for me to open a chart, I always fight to find a trend, guys. So I don't just uh, open a trade. No, I have to find a trend. Let me see if this is what I'm seeing really. Is it true or false? So, for those of you guys who don't know, please take a pen, guys. Please take a pen and a pencil and write everything every note that you think you need it and it is gonna help you in future. take a pen and a paper or or dictionary, not the dictionary, sorry, a diary book, anything that you can write, that you can draft. Yes, guys, this is what I see. This is Euro USD, and then when it comes here, let me do this. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it. I know I'm gonna sell it if it comes to this level. I'm going to sell it. That is why I put it in order block there. So this one is Euro USD, guys. Yes, we'll see what will happen, but I'm not sure about this. We'll see, because of there is something like there's a market gap there. We also have a market gap there, so we will see, guys. We'll see. So yeah, for now, still looking at it. Let's go and see. Oh shit, as you can see, we are now in losses. Not now. We are now in losses. Where is it? USD, boy. Okay, we are now in losses, guys, but still gonna wait for it. We will see what will happen. But me, I took a buy. I'm buying it. I took a buy, guys. I took a buy. Yeah. Then let's go check some. Check GBP. This payment, it always kills me. I don't know why, but it's fine. One day I will come for it. But I'm gonna keep on pushing. See, I don't understand this payment. It doesn't have nice. You get it? I don't understand it. It doesn't have a nice direction, man, or patterns. Like GBPUSD, let's leave it, guys. Let's leave it. It's fine. That's all. And then, which means we'll keep on monitoring our orders. Yes, we'll keep on monitoring our orders. So 30 minutes. So yeah, we'll keep on monitoring our orders. As you know, don't forget that, guys, to trade with the best broker, the best one, RCG way. Don't forget, guys. Don't forget. Let's trade with the best broker, guys. RCG Markets. You see, we're starting again to be in profits, guys. To be in profits, you can see that the numbers, they are blue now. We are in profits. Yes, I'm gonna hold those profits. I'm gonna hold them as long as I'm still gonna check it. I'm gonna check it. See 1 minute strategy. Okay, it's fine. We'll wait for it. Okay. We are back again, guys, and again, let's go and check them. Let's go and check our orders. Still in profits. The market still wanna play some funny stuff, but we are still in profits. We have that patience. You can see. Let's go and buy USDJPY. Let's go and buy, guys. The signal was already sent to the group. Signal is already sent to the group, so yeah, It is what it is. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Let's see what's happening on your USD. Okay. Let me do this. Because I don't trust this thing. I know how it is. How did I analyze it? I was using which time frame? Okay, yeah. And I'm gonna do this. Ish, ish. Sorry for that. I will. Okay, take it out. Gonna put an order block there. Gonna put an order block there. Yeah, we put it some order block there. But I'm thinking of taking a sell, guys. Gonna place 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because of also on USD JPY we took some for. As you can see, wow, we are in deep profits, guys. As you can see there, we are in deep profits. Yes, Joe Boy Lebron Scalper, the one and only, the founder of FX Disciples. If ever you need some help, if ever you need one, if ever you wanna book a one-on-one session, just DM me on Instagram. DM me on Instagram, and then yeah, we'll talk from then. Okay, guys, let's go to let's take a break. We'll come back later. Okay, we are back, guys. Let's go and check. This is Euro USD. We took some sales there, and then let's see. Still, yeah, still in losses, and then it's coming. Is the JPY, it's respecting, as you can see, it's on a bullish going. It's bullish. Let's go. I'm a scalper trader, guys. I'm gonna close those profits, not now, but I'm still waiting for them. Let's see. Yes, I'm gonna close, but not now. Let me send it to the group. Send it to the group. Yes, we are done sending the analysis on the group. The gents will see it. Hopefully, we'll see it. And I'm still waiting. This thing is playing with us. But it's fine. As long as it's still respecting. So, guys, as a beginner, if ever you wanna grow your account, you don't need to be greedy, because of you need to grow account. And then I'm gonna close one. Whew. Tango, and close it. Tango. I'm gonna leave only one. Yes, I'm gonna leave only one trade running. The aim is to grow the account, guys. And yes, let's go to Euro USD and see what will happen. what's happening. Yes, it's still there, but yes, Euro USD will respect our setup. As I see, I'm not a prophet, guys. A prophecy. It's all about the experience. I know this thing, guys. I've been on this industry. I've been on this industry for 5 years, so I know this thing, guys. Just need to log in. This thing is not tough. People are busy saying this thing is tough. There's nothing tough here. As you can see, you see now, Euro USD. We are in profits, as you can see, guys. They call me Lebron Scalper, the one and only, guys. The one and only, the one and only, the one and only. Let me send it to the gents. This is how these guys don't need to be greedy. We need to help each other, bruh. We need to help each other, guys. If ever they don't see it fast, they will miss it. They will miss it if ever they don't do it faster. They will miss it. Cause I'm already in. I'm in profits, as you can see. I'm holding profits. So yeah, let's see, and we'll come back later. And we are back again, guys. Let's go and check. Still in profits, as you can see. We are running uh, the profits nicely. We are still holding. I'm not ready to close now because of I'm targeting this thing to come there at my order block. I want this candlestick to touch my support so that I can open more orders. Selling, and USDJ price is also buying. As you can see, it's buying. So guys, which means we got two correct directions, but they are opposite. This Euro USD is selling, and then USDJ price is buying. Those are two different directions, guys. Forex, it's all about analyzing and sell and buy, and then the psychology. The most difficult thing on forex, it's psychology, but it's nothing if ever you stick to your rules. There's nothing bad, there's nothing good by listening to your rules and following them. You need to follow your rules, guys. We are in deep profits, guys. Deep profits. We are in deep profits. Deep profits, as you can see. So guys, you need to know something. When let me go to this one. Is it? Yes, guys, this is my demo account. I'm pushing it. Yes, as you can see, UTG boy is buying. It's respecting our setup. I'm gonna close it, guys. I said we are growing an account. The aim is to grow the account, guys. So let's go. I think I've closed early, but guys, don't uh don't they say don't do not revenge the market. It's fine. Still have a long time to grow your account. We need to grow this account, guys. So yeah, we are still growing. And then let's move away from it. We are in Euro USD. We are waiting for it. It's about to Euro USD. Okay. So far today we have made how much? Let's This is what this is the overall loss I've lost today in the morning, and then I can see how much I make, but it's fine. We'll see it. We'll bring it back. I'm closing, guys. Closing. Closing. We are left with one order. As you can see, yes. Okay. And I'm gonna close. And we are done.